we don't have sizes is that big.
Maybe this one will fit.
I'd like to buy this.
Honey, that dress won't survive you.
Customers like you ruin our brand image. The real price, is this low?
Don't touch that. What is happening here?
She refused to serve me, and she's been lying to your customers.
No, please, let me explain.
You deserve kindness and beauty.
Thank you for seeing me.